What is vibrato on the guitar and how do we use it? So vibrato is slight increases and decreases in pitch. On the guitar, it looks like this. So to start out, put your finger on the 9th fret of the 3rd string, and we're going to twist our wrist and leverage our hand on the bottom of the guitar like this. This skill does take a fair bit of time to master, so what you want to experiment is trying to use every different finger with variations in how wide, the speed, and then combinations of. And I like to use it more like a vocalist that sort of slightly comes in towards the end of a note. I hope that helps. If you want more awesome beginner guitar content, give us a like and a subscribe, and we will see you on the next video.